friends, welcome to the Point. In today's session, we'll discuss about the neglected tropical disease. So the purpose of discussing this topic is recently on January 30, 2020, that is the first ever World Neglected Tropical Disease Day was celebrated. So this day we celebrated the achievements that is made towards the control of world's neglected tropical diseases and yet to recognize the daunting challenges we face in the control and elimination of these conditions. So talking about this year, January 2021, the Ghanaian medicines. The Ghanaian medicines are in the news. So this is for the treatment of neglected tropical disease like lymphatic filariasis and so on. So in the year December 2020, World Health Organization and the leading pharmaceutical company collaborated for 5 years, that is from 2021 to 2025. And Sanofi, it is a pharmaceutical company that is going to provide support to World Health Organization for its global program for the elimination of human African trypanosomiasis, which is a sleeping sickness. And the other entity in news because of World Health Organization collaboration with Sanofi, it is called Chagas disease and skin neglected diseases. So, ending the neglect to attain the Sustainable Development Goals, a roadmap for neglected tropical disease 2021 to 2030. It is a document of World Health Organization which has been released recently. So, what are these neglected tropical diseases? Neglected tropical diseases, it can be defined as a diverse group of communicable diseases that prevail in tropical and subtropical conditions. So this disease, it affects more than 1 billion people and cost developing economies of the respective countries billions of dollars every year. Population living in poverty without adequate sanitation and in close contact with infectious vectors and domestic animals and livestock, they are worstly affected. So the World Health Organization, it is a specialized agency of the United Nations that looks into the matter regarding public health. And according to WHO, some of the major neglected tropical diseases are like Burli ulcers, Chagas disease, dengue and chikungunya, snakebite envenoming, soil transmitted diseases, trachoma, rabies, and so on. Now let's discuss about India and neglected tropical disease. So according to World Health Organization report of 2017, India was able to eliminate leprosy in 82% of the cities and district. So the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it also mentioned that India has eradicated infectious disease called trachoma along with the chronic disease yaws of the country. So the most common entities in India are lymphatic filariasis, rabies, dengue and soil transmitted helminthic infections, which is called as STH, soil transmitted helminthic infections. So these entities, they are commonly seen to affect people living in poverty and hence many people in India, they are afflicted by this disease every year. So as per the World Health Organization data, India ranks number 1 in the number of cases for many major entities in the world. But however, there is some good news in this regard that India has made a tremendous progress in controlling many such diseases. While leprosy, it has ceased to be a public health concern in the country. Mass treatment coverage has also been achieved for people susceptible to filaria. Government initiatives towards neglected tropical diseases. So, our government of India, it has undertaken several initiatives towards eradicating and managing neglected tropical disease from India. So, some of the initiatives are National Rabies Control Program. So, this is established as the Integrated National Rabies Control Program under the One Health approach, and it was renamed as National Rabies Control Program. It provides vaccination to stray dogs and free vaccines through government hospitals all over the country. Next is National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. In short, it is called as NVBDCP. So, it is a comprehensive program for the prevention and control of vector-borne diseases like malaria, filaria, kala azar, Japanese encephalitis, dengue, and chikungunya. National Leprosy Eradication Program. This program was launched with the goal of elimination of leprosy as a public health problem. So, for that sake, in the year 2005, it was officially declared eliminated as a public health concern in India. And this was when the new cases fell to less than 1 per 10,000. So, yet India accounts for the largest number of leprosy affected people in the world. The National Health Policy. So, this was established in the year 2017 and it sets an ambition to stimulate innovation to meet the health needs and ensure that new drugs are affordable for those who need them most. But it does not specifically tackle neglected diseases. The National Policy on Treatment of Rare Disease. So, it mostly focuses on identifying and researching treatments for rare diseases and infectious tropical diseases. So, why the diseases like trachoma, malaria, leprosy, they are called as neglected tropical diseases. So, what is the reason for calling them as neglected tropical diseases? So, the neglected tropical diseases are named because the attention on this disease is very less. Why? But they affect most number of the poor people. So that is why they are called as a neglected tropical diseases. So one more important thing to note is in the year 2014, the disease called Ebola, it was officially tagged as neglected tropical disease. So this question or this uh, neglected tropical disease question about Ebola, it is an important question in the prelims point of view. So this is all about neglected tropical diseases. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.